This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Minnesota's getting a major snowstorm on Monday, March 18, 2013. Minnesota's getting the 15 plus centimeters of snow. It's going up to 40 centimeters of snow in Minnesota. The snowstorm will also affect Wisconsin as well. It's going to be a powerful snowstorm to hit Minnesota and Wisconsin on Monday, March 18, 2013. People in Minnesota and Wisconsin, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready, because it's going to be whiteout conditions, blowing snow, drifting snow, deep snow on the ground. Main streets, side streets will be covered with snow in Wisconsin and Minnesota. People in Wisconsin and Minnesota, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Monday, March 18th, 2013. Have your shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready, have your snow plows ready, because it's going to be a major snowstorm. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food, because it's going to be a very strong winds gusting up to 40 plus kilometers per hour, and the snowfall will be up to 40 centimeters of snow in Minnesota and Wisconsin. It's going to be a powerful winds, whiteout conditions, visibility near zero, the power will go out. Have your iPads charged, have your cell phones charged, have your iPods charged, have your iPhones charged, have your tablets charged, because the snowstorm is going to hit Minnesota and Wisconsin on Monday, March 18th, 2013. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Have your flashlights ready. Have your crank up radio ready. Have your extra batteries ready. Have your generators ready. Have your candles ready. Have your 3G internet ready, because major snowstorm is hitting Minnesota and Wisconsin on Monday, March 18th, 2013. Because it's going to be a powerful snowstorm and very strong winds. And people in Minnesota and Wisconsin, be extra careful driving your car on Monday, March 18, 2013. Best of luck to you. People in Minnesota and Wisconsin, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Monday, March 18, 2013. Good luck and stay safe and take care. Be very careful out there. Be safe.